Euclidean geometry for the 8th graders continues. In the previous lesson we were dealing with parallel lines and angles that are derived from the parallel lines or that are generated parallel lines. So this time we are going to focus on triangles and angles. Okay, finding the sum of angles of a triangles. We start by doing the investigation on the sum of angles of a triangle. Here are there are triangles. Now we are going to use, this is what we call a protractor. It is used to measure angles. So we'll start with the first triangle. We'll start with the first triangle. So what we are going to do is to write down the angles. Write angle A, which is this one, angle B. This is the sum. We do not know their measurement. So what we're going to do is to measure the first one using this protractor, and we'll try as accurate as possible to find the measurement. Now if you look here, you starting from 0 going up there, this will be 45, this will be 45, and that will be 46, and that will be 47. So it means that our angle A is 47 degrees. Our angle A is 47 degrees because here is 40, 45, and then 46, 47. Okay? Now we can skip angle B, we'll come back to it and see how we measure angle C. We must be very careful in measurement. We must be very careful. Now we no longer count inwards, we count outsides because we're starting from this side. Let's be accurate. I hope we're accurate. From this side to there is 60, and then up to there is 64. It's 64 degrees. It's 64 degrees. 64 degrees. Now we have to turn around the one for B. Let's look. We'll place it there. Now we are counting inwards. So where you're going to use this line as our line to get whatever we want, and that will be something like 67. It's 10. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. 60, 60, hope this is 60. It looks like 66. 66. Okay. It looks like 66. 66. it looks like 66. We are not going to, let's use the calculator to find out. If we add this, what are we going to get? 47 degrees, 66 degrees, plus 64. It's 170, 77 degrees. Just hope that we got the correct one. Let's go back a bit and see whether we were right when we were measuring this angle. 47 seem to be correct. From this side, it looks like 64 is correct. If we turn this around, that also helps us a lot, just to find whether we were accurate or not. This looks like here. From this side, this looks like which is B. This looks like indeed it looks like 66. That is B. This one looks like, which is C, 64. 64. Yes. No, 65. It looks like 65. So it's close to 178 degrees. So we can proceed to the next one, which is angle D plus angle E plus angle F. Okay, let's go to this one. Let's start with this one. From this side, 0, 10, 20, 30, we've got 40. Now this is 40. Now beyond 40 we've got 1. Beyond 40 we've got 1, 2, I think it's 1. Okay, it's almost 43. It looks like 43. Is it 43? Yes, it looks like 43. Okay. Now let's look at this one, F. So look it from outside, because we'll start from, that will be anti-clockwise. Now from this side is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now 65, 66. It looks 66. I hope. Let's do it again. $66. No, 67. 67. Okay, 67. Now we proceed to this one. To avoid mistakes, we turn it around. What is it going to be? I can see there is a 70 here, but slightly below 70. I think it's 60. No? 69. 69. 69 degrees. And let us see what is it that we're going to get from 69. Let's try it again, especially this one. It looks like 70. It looks like 70 degrees, not 69 degrees. Now with 4, 3 plus, okay, 43 plus 70 plus 67 gives us 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So you can see in the first triangle we got 178. That all depends on the accuracy or draw of measurement. On this one we got 180. So here and there you find that we get something 178, 179. So let's continue. Now we can write this as we're now adding G, angle G plus angle H plus angle I. Please, one thing that you must know about this is to practice how to use a protractor. If you can't use a protractor properly, it follows that your measurement will also not be accurate. G looks like we have got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Before 50 there is that. Now it looks like 58. It looks like 58. It looks like 58. It's just before 40, before 60. Okay. Now let's try. And remember, there is this line which is 90 degrees. That must be able to go through the point of intersection of the two lines. Now we look outside. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, what is it? To me, it looks like 50s. It looks like, to me, it looks like 58. It looks like 58. Okay. We're left with H. This one is the most difficult one because it's not positioned properly. It's not positioned properly. Now we count from this side. will be 0, 60, and it will be 60. What is it? 60. It looks like 63. Okay. Is it 63? Let me twist around, turn the thing around. It looks like 63. Yeah? Yes, 63 degrees. Now we'll use the calculator and see what are we going to get. 58 plus 58, 58 plus 63, so 179 degrees. Now we go another one. Can we go back a little bit and see whether we were accurate? I think we were accurate. And then here, were we accurate? That looks accurate. And this one, that also looks accurate. Okay, that also looks accurate. Now let's look at the next triangle. We'll start with J. Angle J plus angle K plus angle L. This will be equal to. Now let's start with J. J, this is 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 35, 38, 38. This is 116. It looks to me we count from this side 10 and 50, 100, 116. 116, yes. Okay, now we can continue and say, what about this one? I hope we are placing this accurately. It looks to me this is from inside 2020, bit accurate. Okay. Yes, it looks to me is 26. 26 degrees. 26 degrees. Now we go to the calculator The calculator will tell us 38, 116, 26 is 180. This one at least now it's 180. Now we'll proceed to the next one. It's the same exercise, but triangles might be different. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's start with M. M, angle M plus angle N plus angle N, L. So we want to see what are we going to get. Okay, it looks to me this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 56 degrees. Now we go to O. Huh? Yes, it's O. Okay. O. O. What O would be? There's 10, 20, 40. It looks to me to say 40. That 40, 40, 40, 41. It's 41 degrees. From this side is 10, it's 90, it's 90, it's 90, it looks to me 100. Yeah? It's 100. No, we're going the wrong way. It's wrong. It's totally wrong. It's 0. Good way. This becomes, it looks to me 80. Yeah? Is it 80? It looks to me it's an 81. 81. Now we use the calculator and see where we go. Use the calculator. 56 plus 81 plus 41, 178. 178 degrees. Now the last one, which is P, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. Okay. Angle R, it's from this side is 10, 20, 30, 90, 104. 104 from inside. 104. That is true. Let me do it again. Hmm? 105. Correct here. Now we go to R. We skip Q. You come back to from this side, from the outside, we shall have 30 there. Before 30 there is a 5 there, that is 34. What about this side? Okay, I hope it is properly placed. There is 40 there, about 41. It's about 41. So we add 105 degrees, 41 degrees, 34 degrees, 180 degrees, 180 degrees. Now the question is, what did you observe about the sum of angles of a triangle? Now you can see for this triangle it was the sum of angles is 178 degrees. For this one is 180. Let's do the previous ones. And then this one is 179 and this one is 180. This one is 178 and this one 80. So let's look at, we had 178, we had 180, we had 179 degrees, we had 180, okay, and then we had 178 again, and then we had 180, okay, 1, 2, 3 80s. 180s are 3, 1, 2, 178, only 179. So from, if we are to consider what is the majority in terms of addition of angles, if we were to take an average or a mode, we can say 180 is the sum of angles of a triangle. If you add, so even 179 is close to 180. 178 is one. We cannot simply use this number of triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can go for 100 triangles, and then we measure the angles and try to add them and be able to generalize. But my observation here, if I to use the numbers in terms of sums, there is 180 and 179 is very close. So I could say my observation for the few triangles is that the sum of angles of is 180 degrees. So, although this is not enough, the number of triangles is not enough. You can do 10, you can do 20 to be able to come to a conclusion to say the sum of angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. So you need more time to do this. So what we can say for now, we can make a conclusion that the sum of angles of any triangle is 180 degrees, looking at the number of. So if you have gone to 10 triangles, we could have be able to come up with a better conclusion. For 20, better. For 30, better. So let's take it that for these times, because of this repetition of the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Thank you much. Keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.